Tired of manually gathering call data and wasting precious time after every phone conversation? Let's jump right in and get you started integrating Retell with Airtable to automatically generate those crucial end-of-call reports. First, sign into your Retell account and locate the section related to integrations or webhooks. This is usually found in your settings or a similar administrative panel. Now, create a new webhook. This is where you will connect your Retell account with Airtable. You will need the specific Retell event that signals the end of the call. Think about the most relevant data. Head over to your Airtable account. You'll need a base to store your data. Create one if you don't have one, and inside your new or existing base, create a table for your call reports. Define the specific fields you want to capture, such as call duration, the callers and callees' names and phone numbers, a transcription of the conversation, and any other key metrics. Back in Retell, you'll need to configure the webhook to send data to your Airtable table. This involves setting the webhook URL. You will get that from Airtable later. The integration should include any authentication details to allow data to be successfully transferred. Now, back in your Airtable base, in your table view configurations, create a webhooks or API option. This is where you will find the Airtable API endpoint URL. Then, match the data fields from Retell to the corresponding columns in your Airtable table. This step ensures that the information from the call is correctly organized within your Airtable base. Finally, test the integration. Make a quick phone call using your Retell setup, then check your Airtable base. If everything's set up correctly, you'll see a new entry automatically populated with the call data. Congratulations! You've successfully automated your end-of-call reporting.